If you do not like this video in the next 5 seconds, your Roblox account will be deleted. Don't risk it, like it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get some free Robux. And in this video I'm going to show you guys multiple ways on how to get some free Robux, including a Robux giveaway. Now what you have to do to enter this giveaway is subscribe to the channel with notifications on, like the video, and comment down below your Roblox username. Also make sure to join the Roblox group in the description, and they're all the main rules guys. But if you want to have extra chance of winning the giveaway, what you need to do is share the video to your friends and family, make sure they engage with it and follow the rules too. This will give you double the chance of winning the giveaway every week. Trust me guys, it's absolutely crazy, so make sure you watch until the end because you will not want to miss every single method and every way to get free Robux. And the methods I'm going to show you in this video nobody has seen before guys, so it's completely working right now. And as you can see on the screen right now, that's how much Robux I got from using this method so far. But after making this video for you guys, I'm going to carry on doing this method for myself to try and get at least over 100,000 Robux by today. But anyway, now's the time where I'll show you the best way to get some free Robux right now. This is working on every single platform, including mobile, PC, gaming consoles, and so much more. But I definitely recommend using PC or mobile since it's quicker, but you can do it on anything. So what you want to do guys is go onto your search browser and you want to type in.
Now I know what you're thinking.
Roblox chat is never work.
Well, you'd be right if you didn't use them correctly. There are a few steps you have to do with your account to make them work, which is what the cheat shirt is for. If you follow the steps I showed you, it will work. The website will give you free Roblox Premium, meaning you get 2,200 Robux every single month for absolutely free.
And it should load up a very simple screen, and I'll go through it in this video. And now once you're here, what you want to do guys is type in your Roblox username. So as you see, it says please enter your username and select your platform. So you need to type in your Roblox username and then choose your platform. Make sure you typed in your Roblox username correctly, and once you've done all these, make sure to click the proceed button. So now it should be saying searching on your screen, and what this means is that it's literally searching for your Roblox account to make sure that you're legit. This should literally only take around 10 to 15 seconds maximum, so it's quite quick. And eventually it should say that it's a success, and then it should come up with the option to choose how much Robux you would like. The minimum amount of Robux you can have is 400 to 800, 1,700 Robux, and 4,500 Robux. Now you can keep doing this process over and over again, so it doesn't really matter how much Robux you get guys, but obviously you want to choose the most Robux you can. Now once you've chosen the amount of Robux you would like, make sure to click the proceed button. So if you've done it correctly, it should say that it's loading up your account guys, and what this basically means is that all the Robux is being transferred to your account. And now once you have completed these steps guys, it should say last step. Hello, your username, you are almost done with the synchronization of 4,500 Robux, or how many Robux you chose, it doesn't really matter. Please complete the last step by clicking the button below to finish with the synchronization process. So pretty much what this basically means is that you need to just complete 2 very simple and easy surveys. These will be very quick to do guys, around 2 minutes maximum, but what this means is that you can tell and verify that you're a legit human, and that is literally all you need to do guys. So once you've filled out 2 of these surveys, it needs to be 2. Once you've done that, go back onto Roblox and all your Robux will be there. So guys, make sure to keep doing it right now, and let's just do it. So once you agree to doing the human verification, that's what you need to do to get these Robux. You need to click verify now. This literally will take literally 2 minutes guys. It's absolutely crazy, so let's just do it together. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope this method works for you because it's certainly working for me right now. It's absolutely insane. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all later.